Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, BNB. We're currently having a rally in the altcoin market, and BNB is particularly in that rally. BNB is up more than 10.3% in the last 1 week. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how high BNB can go in this relief rally. If BNB is pumping to higher prices in 2023, where will BNB start facing resistance as we're pumping to the upside? If the bottom is not in for BNB and we see this rally truncated and we start dumping to Goblin Town and BNB loses the $184 region, how low can BNB go in the bear market? We'll be taking a look at BNB's performance against Bitcoin, BNB's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at BNB's market cap, which is currently above $45 billion. Can BNB's market cap reclaim the $50 billion region, or are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town, going above the $31 billion region where we saw BNB's market cap catch a bounce? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The altcoin market is rallying to higher prices in 2023. That's a huge improvement from the dump to Goblin Town we saw in 2022. Because guys, in 2022, we saw altcoins losing value drastically. BNB went down more than 43% in 2022. And guys, BNB was among the huge performers in the bear market. BNB even outperformed Bitcoin. We saw BNB setting new all-time highs in 2022 against Bitcoin. But right now, as we're still down in Goblin Town and the altcoin market is rallying to higher prices, how high can BNB possibly go in this relief rally? BNB didn't dump really well to Goblin Town when we were dumping. So are we going to see BNB not pump really well to the moon as we're pumping to the upside? Key levels you want to pay attention to for BNB as we're going through the bear market, as BNB is pumping to higher prices, trading above the $280 region. We have seen BNB get to as low as $187 in this bear market. But guys, BNB still have further downsides to go if we lose this $187 region. So right now, as we're pumping this relief rally, we want to pay close attention to what BNB will be doing when we start getting to the $300 region. We have seen BNB get rejected around the $316 region multiple times in this bear market. First, we saw BNB trying to rally above that $316 region in May 2022. That rally couldn't be sustained. We continued dumping to Goblin Town. We picked ourselves up and rallied to higher prices by August 2022, but that rally also couldn't be sustained, and we saw BNB continue dumping to Goblin Town. The last time we saw BNB trading above the $316 region was in November 2022. And that rally also saw BNB get shot out when we got to as high as $380. BNB didn't come to set new lows. We're still holding that $187 low we set in June 2022. But guys, if BNB continues pumping to higher prices and we see it get rejected either at the $316 region or the $380 region, I'll not be shocked to see BNB turn on itself. And at some point in time in 2023, we'll see BNB come back to test this $187 region. If the bottom is not in for BNB and we see BNB going below the $187 region in this bear market, guys, it might be lights out for BNB, because right now BNB is way in the moon. BNB was trading around the $20 region in the previous bear market, and those investors that were buying BNB then were shouting kumbaya when BNB was going to the moon. We saw BNB get to a previous all-time high around the $22 region in 2018. But what happened in the bear market in 2018 surprised a lot of individuals, because after BNB dropped 82%, a lot of us were expecting BNB to continue dumping to Goblin Town, but that was when BNB started pumping to the moon, and BNB went from as low as $4 to as high as over $600 before the end of the bull run. So if BNB is dumping to Goblin Town, we might still see it go down to as low as $120 at some point in time in the bear market. But even if we get that low, it will mean from the all-time high BNB set in May 2021, BNB will just be down 82% from its all-time high. And that's exactly what BNB did in its first bear market. We saw it go down 82% from its all-time high. So I'll not be shocked to see BNB get to that $120 region at some point in time in the bear market. Guys, we're seeing a relief rally in the altcoin market. I'm not saying BNB can't pump to higher prices. I'm not saying BNB can't go above $400, maybe even getting to as high as $450. The last time we saw BNB getting that high was in April 2022. And what would require BNB to get to $450 right now? That would require BNB to pump from where we're currently trading up about 59%. It's very, very easy for altcoins to pump 59%, but BNB is among the biggest altcoins we have in the market. BNB is ranked number 4 on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of $45 billion. So for BNB's market cap to increase by 60%, we might see the market cap heading above $60 billion. BNB currently has a fully diluted market cap of $57 billion, and out of maximum supply of 200 million coins, BNB has more than 159 million coins in circulation. In the last 1 year, we've seen BNB going from as high as $505 to as low as $184. And where can you buy some BNB if you want to get some in the bear market? As we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some BNB on Binance, on Qcoin, on BitTop, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. We have seen BNB set new all-time highs in the bear market against Bitcoin, just like we did in the previous bear market. And that's why I'm telling you guys, we might see a huge dump to the downside after this relief rally for BNB. In the previous bear market, we saw BNB pumping to new all-time highs. Everything was good and dandy. Everybody was shouting kumbaya. But guys, after that relief rally ended, what happened to BNB? We saw it losing around 79% of its value against Bitcoin, finally dumping to Goblin Town before the start of the next bull run. But when the bull run came around, we saw BNB pumping to the moon and actually outperforming Bitcoin. So I expect that to happen again. I expect us to see BNB losing value against Bitcoin in the bear market, because how are we going to pump in the next bull run if we don't dump to Goblin Town in this bear market? And if we see Bitcoin dumping around 70% from the all-time high we got to in November 2022, that would take BNB down to Goblin Town, but that will take us down to a crucial support level where I believe BNB will get to before we start the next bull run. It's not all bad news if BNB is dumping against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. We also saw BNB setting new all-time highs against Bitcoin, which is very, very unusual for all coins in the bear market. But BNB has done that 2 different times right now in the bear market. And I'll not be shocked to see BNB pumping to higher prices, but ultimately, if you take a look at BNB's RSI, it's already heading to the downside, and I will not be placing any bets that we won't see BNB erase all the gains we have made since March 2021, dumping to Goblin Town. If you take a look at BNB's performance against Ethereum, after the rally ended in the previous bear market, we saw it dumping to Goblin Town. We saw BNB lose 80% of its value against Ethereum. If that same scenario is going to happen right now in this bear market, from where BNB is currently trading, we might see it dump to Goblin Town, erasing most of the gains we made in the previous bull run. So even though we're rallying to the upside right now, even though we're seeing all coin market going up to the upside starting 2023 on a very bright note, you want to be careful. These are critical levels you want to pay attention to for BNB as we're pumping to higher prices. The $316 level, the $380 level, and if we're lucky, we might see BNB get to as high as $454. But if BNB cannot blast through these different resistances, we might see it go back to the $187 region, and hopefully that level holds. If it doesn't hold, we might see BNB even drop to as low as $120. Guys, all coins are very, very dangerous in the bear market. As we're seeing them pumping to the upside, you don't want to FOMO in thinking we're going to the moon. Guys, yes, we're going to go to the moon, but smart investors, as they're accumulating the bear market, they are dollar cost averaging, because you don't want to go all in when you're buying all coins. Because if you buy all coins going all in and they keep dumping to Goblin Town, you won't have any capital to scoop some on the low. If you're going to be holding BNB for the long term, lower prices will be music to your ears. Warren Buffett said you want to buy when there's blood on the street and you want to sell when there's optimism in the market. Right now, there's a lot of pessimism in the market. A lot of people have seen their altcoins dump to Goblin Town in the last 1 year, so they are scared to take risks. But smart investors are going to be getting ready for the next bull run right now, deep in the crypto bear market. If you take a look at BNB's performance on this market cap chart, we saw BNB's market cap drop to as low as $29 billion. Right now, BNB has a market cap above $45 billion. I'll not be shocked to see the market cap rally back to the $50 billion region, maybe even trying to get to as high as $60 billion. But the last time we saw BNB's market cap head to that $60 billion region, we got rejected. So I'll not be shocked to see us rally back to that $50 billion region. The $1 million question is, are we going to get rejected there once more, or are we going to continue pumping to higher prices? Now, if BNB gets rejected at that $60 billion region, we might see it heading back to Goblin Town, maybe going below $30 billion. And if that happens, we might see BNB's market cap at some point in time in the bear market head to the $20 billion region. But if we're lucky and we pump above 60 billion, I'll also still be very, very careful in the bear market, because we might see it get to that $75 billion region, get rejected, and continue dumping to Goblin Town. Ultimately, all coins might be dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market, but we know that when the bull run comes around, they are going to be pumping to the moon. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see BNB going in this relief rally we're having in the altcoin market? Do you think we're going to pump to new all-time highs anytime soon? Is the bottom in for BNB? How low do you think we'll go if we start dumping to Goblin Town? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2,